Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your tax documents on the Acorns app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and find your tax documents just because it's tax season. How do you actually go ahead and find that on the Acorns app? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Acorns app. Next, click on your profile icon on the upper right-hand corner. Then from here, go ahead and click on Settings on the bottom hand side. Now on this page here, go ahead and scroll all the way down, and then you're going to be able to find the Tax Center, Documents, and Statements button. If you click on Tax Center, this is where your tax forms will appear on the Acorns app. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your tax documents on the Acorns app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.